Good morning, dear students. Today we will read our poem The Spinning Sage. What is the name of the poem? What is the name of the poem? The Spinning Sage. And poet of this poem is William Thackeray. What is the poet of this poem? William Thackeray. Clear? And you will learn the name of the poet also. So, let's start our poem. Dear students, you all have heard about sage. What is the meaning of sage? Sage means a very wise person. Sage is a very wise person. He always thinks wisely. But in this poem, we will know about a different kind of sage. In this poem, we are going to read about the foolishness of a sage. Because in this poem, the sage always tries to bring his pigtail in front of his head. So let's start. Take a pencil with you and underline the difficult words what is given in this poem. There lived a sage in the days of yore, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wondered much and sorrowed more, because it hung behind him. Sage. What is the meaning of sage? Sage means a very wise person. Days of yore. Days of yore. Days of yore means long ago. So, what is the meaning of this line? There lived a sage in the days of yore. Long time ago, there lived a sage. There lived a sage. And he a handsome pigtail wore. Pigtail. What is the meaning of pigtail? Pigtail means hair tied together into a bunch and twisted into plaits. This is shown in the picture also. Here it is the pigtail of the sage. So in this line, what is the meaning of this line? And he a handsome pigtail wore means he has a handsome pigtail, but wondered much and sorrowed more, because it hung behind him. But the sage always wondered and always in a pain. Sorrowed means pain. Why he always in wondered and in pain? Because it hung. It means the pigtail hung behind him. Because the pigtail always hung behind him. That's why the sage always wondered and in a pain. He always wanted to bring his pigtail in front of his head, but the pigtail was still on its place. Come on, next stanza. He mused upon this curious case and swore he would change the pigtail place and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. He mused. Mused means, what is the meaning of muse? Muse. Thought carefully. He thought carefully upon this curious. Curious means strange, unusual. He mused upon this curious case. Curious means strange. He thought carefully on this serious case and swore. Swore means, what is the meaning of swore? Swore means vowed, कसम खाना. He would change the pigtail place. What he swore? He swore that he would change the pigtail place. What he swore? He swore that he would change the pigtail. Pigtail is given here. He would change its place means he will bring his pigtail in front of his head. That's why the sage is different from other sage. Clear? And have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. And have it hanging. And where he will bring his pigtail? Have it hanging at his face. Where it will hang? Where the pigtail will hang? At his face, not dangling. Dangling means hanging. Not dangling there behind him. Behind means पीछे, उसके बैक पे वो उसको हैंग नहीं करना चाहता. Where he wants to bring his pigtail? He wants to bring his pigtail at his face. Clear? So this is the foolishness of the sage. Now come on next. Before going the next part, let's understand this again. He mused upon this curious case. He swore he would change the pigtail place and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. The sage thought carefully upon this serious case and he swore that he would change the pigtail place and he will bring the pigtail at his face, not dangling there behind him. Means वो अपनी pigtail को अपने back पे नहीं रहने देगा. Where he wants to bring his pigtail? What he swore? क्या कसम खाता वो? That he would bring his pigtail at his face. Understood? Now come on next. Says he, the mystery I have found, I will turn me round. He turned him around. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. Says he. Says he. He means here the sage. What the sage says? He says The mystery I have found. What is the meaning of mystery? What is the meaning of mystery? Mystery means, here it is mystery. Mystery means something that is difficult to understand. The sage says that he have found the mystery. उसने mystery का पता लगा लिया है. What he will do? I will turn me round. I will turn, मैं अपने आप को turn करूँगा. Round. Clear? He turned him round. और वो अपने आप को क्या करता है? Turn करता है round and round. It is shown in the picture. He is turning him round and round. Clear? But still it hung behind him. It means here pigtail. After moving round and round, the pigtail was still behind him. What the sage was doing? He was moving around and round, but the pigtail was still on its place. Then round and round and out and in. Then round and round. Then round and round and out and in. All day the puzzle sage did spin. In vain it mattered not a pin. The pigtail hung behind him. What the sage did? The sage was saying that he had found the mystery, and what he did now? The sage turned round and round. He turned him round and round, out and in. All day the puzzle sage did spin. और पूरा दिन उस पजल, जो पजल था, उस सेज ने क्या किया? All day the puzzle sage did spin. Clear? वो अपने आप को क्या करता रहा? Spin करता रहा. In vain it mattered not a pin. In vain. Vain means all was wasted. It mattered not a pin. Mattered not a pin means made no difference. Clear? Means जो pigtail थी, that was on the same place. The pigtail was still behind. It was not coming in front of his head. The pigtail hung behind him. Clear? So dear students, today we will do up to here. Rest part we will do tomorrow. Okay.